You live in a home that's got a pretty good size addition on it, and you're starting to see that it's sliding away. It looks like it's about to fall in, and you're really concerned and worried. The question you're probably asking yourself is, can this be fixed? Can I save my home's addition? I'm also an Anchor Foundation repair, and I've looked at hundreds, if not thousands of homes here in the Bryan College Station area. And with that being said, I've seen many homes that have additions here in the area, and understand the worry and concern that this can create for you whenever you start seeing your home's addition look like it's trying to separate from the rest of the house. It's not the end of the world. We understand it is a big worry for a lot of people. So to answer your question, yes, this is something that can be fixed. We have to use something called a buttress pier. Essentially, all a buttress pier is a pier that is installed at an angle off of the main original pier that we installed. They're drilled and poured at the exact same time to allow the concrete pieces to be one unit. That way we can prevent further lateral movement on that slab. That's the main goal of the buttress pier. It's not going to be used to push anything back on the addition to conjoin the house and addition like it was perfect again, but it is going to prohibit the house from moving laterally anymore. What on earth should I do now? If you live here in the Bryan College Station area and this is something that you're experiencing, well, the best thing to do is just going to be going to our website, filling out a form, and getting in touch with someone here at Anchor. We would like to come take a look at it and see if we need to put some buttress piers on your house and get this fixed. As always, we are going to put an article down in the description here all about buttress piers. That way y'all can take a deep dive on it, and we'll see y'all later, folks.